Welcome back to Saidi's vlog. Namaste to all of you. Thank you so much for your love and support and subscribing to our channel, people. Means a lot for us, I know. Today we are going to react on Voice of Nepal season 3, the live show yesterday, which was already done, right? And firstly, congratulations to all the 4 winners of the Voice of Nepal season 3 again. Kiran Gajmer भयो, Aryan Tamang, Jwala and Tara. Congratulations to you guys. But today it's going to be quite a little different, okay? Because we had been reacting on these people. So today we are going to react on
Govind Pun, Rabi, Sonam Sherpa, and Afrita, right? So they were the dark horses, but because of whatever circumstances, they are not there in the show today. So we want to give a tribute and say thank you. You guys deserved it. You guys are stars in your own arena, so don't feel bad. We just loved everything that you guys did, right? With that, let's
get into the reaction, right?
Rita. Beautiful song.
Her voice is really melodious, man. Beautiful.
Woo.
Lady rock star, you know.
Right. Not bad, man.
Her voice is like OMG. Flag really. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Awesome.
Govind Pun, come on. One of our favorite, man, this guy.
On you, right? We had reacted on him as well, no? Earlier.
So आजको मेरो प्रस्तुति ट्राभल रेन्टको एकदमै ब्युटिफुल नम्बर रहेको छ भनाई यो नम्बर मैले रोज्नुको कारण चाहिँ ट्राभल रेन जुन ब्यान्डलाई सुनेपछि मेरो म्युजिकल भनौँ न टेस्ट नै एकदमै फरक मैले पाएँ। मेरो टर्निङ पोइन्ट नै त्यहाँबाट भयो भनौँ। अनि स्पेसली आज यो गीत चाहिँ यो ट्राभल रेनको मेन भोकलिस्ट जो गाउनु भएको उहाँ गायक लेट राहुल राई हुनुहुन्न, उहाँको लागि ट्रिब्युट गर्न चाहन्छु।
Let's see.
Did you agree, Alice?
This is a lovely song.
तिम्रो लागि तारा तोडिदिन्छु त भनै मात्र हो, एउटा भनै मात्र हो। हेर तिम्रो लागि जीवन त्यागिदिन्छु। ती वचन त होइन हो भावना, केही रहने छैन तिमी बिना। मरेर कहाँ जान्छु मलाई थाहा छैन, तर तिमीसँग जिउन फेरि पाउँदैन। हेर तिम्रो लागि बादल सारिदिन्छु त भनै मात्र हो, एउटा भनै मात्र हो। हेर तिम्रो लागि समय रोकिदिन्छु। ती वचन त होइन हो भावना, केही रहने छैन तिमी बिना। मरेर कहाँ जान्छु मलाई थाहा छैन, फेरि तिमीसँग जिउन फेरि पाउँदिन।
रॉक स्टार है उसको अभी
तिमी नै छैनौ भने म त एउटा भ्रम मात्र हो। तिमी नै छैनौ भने म त एउटा भनाइ मात्र हो। तिमी नै छैनौ भने म त एउटा भ्रम मात्र हो। तिमी नै छैनौ भने म त एउटा भनाइ मात्र हो।
कति राम्रो गाएको थियो।
You miss him, man. This guy was.
And this song is especially tribute to late Rahul Rai.
Young guy, man.
मोदबाट नै आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ शान्त र शालीन रवि गहत्रा।
Ravi, come on.
मिठो है गाना चाहिँ
Come on, Ravi.
आँसु झार्दिन म
Aha, गाना
रुन मलाई पुगिसक्यो
निमा शेर्पा
आँसु झार्दिन म रुन मलाई पुगिसक्यो माया लाउँदिन म मायाको अर्थ बुझिसके माया लाउँदिन म
Dark horse, man.
Playback singers.
अर्थ बुझिसके
Beautiful, beautiful.
आँसु आँसु
Nice. Aha.
जो के हो व्यथा के हो माया के हो तिरस्का के हो जो के हो व्यथा के हो माया के हो तिरस्का के हो यो त हो परिवर्तन समय नबुझी माया लागेको आँसु आँसु झार्दिन
Good, man.
रुन मलाई पुगिसक्यो
Luna Malai पुगिसक्यो.
I just love this song.
माया लाउँदिन म मायाको अर्थ बुझिसके माया लाउँदिन म
Beauty, man, beauty.
मायाको अर्थ बुझिसके आँसु
My God.
Team राजुबाट सोनम शेर्पा
Nice. He's playing keyboard, man.
Oh, he's the one playing, right? Super talented one.
यो दिल मेरो तिम्रै लागि हो किन यसलाई छोडिदियो सिसा त होइन यो दिल मेरो किन यसलाई ठुक्राइदियो
Nice, man.
मन नै त हो मेरो तिमीले नै बुझिनौ
Melodious, man. Okay.
Quality of his voice.
सम्झना रहन्छ
प्रेजेन्टेसनहरू कस्तो राम्रो है
H band, man. This is beautiful band.
Sami tu timro kesuma Junathamun Theo timro Theo Gulabi Otama Sami tu timro kesuma Junathamun Theo timro Theo
Beautiful, no?
Otama
Soothing, man. Lovely, man.
कति राम्रो गाएको People, that was the performances from all these contestants. Firstly, I would like to talk about Afrita Khargi. I had been always supporting her. She has beautiful voice like how she is. But what else to do, right? So let's move on to Ravi Ghatraj. He literally made me cry when I just watched his performances in the live show yesterday, you know. अनि सोनम शेर्पाको कुरा गरे भने he was a surprise package, but what else to do? Luck favors, हैन. अनि after that, Govin Poon, my god, his voice was literally so awesome. I used to love his voice, but के भन्नु सक्दैन अब, it all depends on votes as well, right? But तर यो epic moment चाहिँ रविको लागि थियो because he literally made me cry. I was literally into tears, and I don't want to talk much about it because whatever happens, it's because of
Good
luck
thing, right?
and good thing as well. So let's hear it from
No, I think I completely agree. Yeah, guys, so I think two of my favorites was Govind and Rabi, as I've always said it from the beginning of our reaction. So it was sad to lose two of the gems of this show, but I think the format is such that you can't help it. Coming to Sonam and Afrita, I think they were good in their own genres, and this time I think both of them surprised both of us, at least Sonam for me, because he sang a song from the Edge band, and it was pretty tough song to sing. And Afrita too did a great job because I think she tried a legendary song Jangi Nisan, right? So it's pretty tough and it has a lot of meaning, right? So losing this 4 contestant itself is a loss, but what to do, right? The format is such. Nevertheless, I think we are waiting what will happen next, because we have Aryan, Kiran, Jwala and Tara. So you know who our favorites are, at least both of us. So let's see what happens. We are excited. May the best person win.
Yeah,
With
that's
that-
what. May the best person win. होइन उसको भोइसले पनि हुनु पर्यो नि त एउटा अब होइन उसले अलिकति मिस्टेक गरेको छ भने दे सुड नट बी अ फेभर इन द्याट
Yeah.
लिटरली भन्यौँ नि त अब होइन राम्रो गाउनेले जितोस् द्याट्स वाट वी वुड लभ टु से सो ह्याभिङ सेड द्याट पिपल इफ यु आर न्यू टु आवर च्यानल प्लिज डु नट फर्गेट टु सब्सक्राइब होइन लाइक सेयर कमेन्ट तपाईँहरूको भ्यू के छ होइन तपाईँहरूलाई के ठिक लाग्छ त्यो चाहिँ कमेन्ट गर्नुहोस् होइन वी वुड एप्रिसिएट टु रिप्लाई यु ब्याक ओके सो
With that, take care. Good night.